What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be filming an exhaust video on my new 2020 C8. For those that follow me on or subscribe to my YouTube channel, yeah, I look a little weird. I messed up my beard the other day trying to shave and just shaved it all off. I look like I'm 12, but let's get this video started. So here's the C8 here. Got the key. Let's do a little remote startup. Got the steering wheel condom on so I don't get the steering wheel dirty. For those who don't know, I ordered this C8 about a year ago and it just came in a few days ago. I'll leave the link below for the pickup video when I picked up the car a couple days ago, but today I wanted to show off the new exhaust. So it's a 2020 C8, has the basic silver wheels, Z51 package, 3LT package, fully loaded. When I mean fully loaded, I mean the 3LT is the highest trim package. Got the blue, navy blue, and rapid blue leather stitched seats. The carbon fiber behind the seats, the GT2 seats. So these are I believe the highest performance pack seats. Rapid blue seat belts. Suede headliner, that's part of the 3LT package. And then the blue stitched T-top, which I could take that off. So let's walk around really quick. Checked out the exhaust tips, and you can see there's clamps in there right there. These tips can easily be removed and changed. I thought about changing them, but they look all right. I mean, I feel like this car should have round tips, but I think they did square tips to match the kind of squarish back of the car. But let's get to the exhaust part of the video. But before that, let me show you one last thing. So here's the window sticker on the car. Starting price $60,000, $80,000 total vehicle price. So if you look right here, Z51, sorry, the camera's blurry. Z51 performance package, Z51 brakes, suspension, performance exhaust. I'm not sure what they have for performance exhaust, but I'm gonna basically get a video of valves open and closed. So let's get into that. was doing to get it in and out of quiet mode is there's a little, sorry, this little camera a little fuzzy. There's a little dial here. You change it to tour mode, which is quiet mode. Then sport, which opens it up. I'm not sure if you guys heard that. And then track, which leaves it open while you're driving it all the time. It changes all of the screens to these sweet screens. That's pretty much going to be it to end off this video. Got the C8 back here in the garage. I don't want to get on it too much. It's a new car. Wanted to obviously keep it and get it broken in right. But just wanted to let you guys hear the exhaust sound. Sounds good for a stock car. Honestly, I put an X-Pipe on my dad's C7. And it sounds just as loud as this car. So I don't know if it's between the exhaust or the engine being in the back and it's closer that it's louder. Or maybe they have one set of cats instead of two sets of cats. But it sounds good. Please give this video a like, subscribe. If you guys want to see more, follow me on Instagram. It's at Sinister_lifestyle. If you guys want any wrap work done, I own a wrap shop called Haven Wraps. It's HAVEN Wraps on Facebook, and it's at Haven Wraps on Instagram. So check it out. Besides that, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. Jean shorts and New Balance is coming soon. Coming soon to a garage near you.